Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum old friends, hope you are all okay. Today I'm going to share with you how to make mint sauce, and also I will give you few tips how to grow herbs by yourself. I already uploaded my previous video where I discuss about basils, how to grow basils in your home. You can guys check on my channel. So these are here. I have all mints plants that look very green and very healthy, you can see here, and it's very easy to grow up. I just bought a small plant from the shop, and then slow they grow up, and I transfer them in the big pot. Here you can see this is the big pot here I have in my home. So when it's grow up, you can transfer them in the big pot. And also like this, guys, look at that. This is a small pot. I bought it. It is also I changed it. It was very small pot when I bought from the shop, but the slow they grow up, and I changed them in the big pot. And also for those my friends who they buy from the shop, they are not long last. 2-3 days you have to throw them, or you must have to use them. This pot has, guys, you can see, yeah, I bought it from the shop, just the mint leaves I bought it, and when I bring it in my home, the 3-4 stick, and I'll show you guys here, 3-4 mint leaf, and I take off leaves from the bottom, right, as you can see, and then I just dip it in the water like that. Any empty jar you can find it, so put it, leave it there. They will be grow up slow, as you can see they are growing up. And I will not suggest you guys to be put them in the soil. They are okay in the water, because I tried in the soil, they didn't grow, but in the water they are keep growing. If you don't want to grow, you just keep in the water. It will keep them fresh more than if you keep it in the fridge. They will fresh here in the water, and they will be long last, more than 2-3 weeks. They are nearly 10 to 12 days here, and you can see how roots comes up, and they are still growing up from the top. When I put it here, there was just 3-4 leaves was in each stick. There are 3-4 leaves, but they are keep growing. And here also you can see I have a fresh coriander here, and they are very fresh and green, and whenever I need it, I just took it. These are also I bought it from the local supermarket, and they were transferred with the little bit big pot, and they are growing up, and whenever I need it, I just take it and I use them. So hopefully guys, you will love the fresh herbs, and you know that how to grow in your home. Just keep it in the window, water them every day, and they will be show you the growing up. Whenever you need, take out and use it. So today I'm going to make you the mint sauce, what we need, how to make it, and it's better than any other sauce who you buy from the shop, like a ketchup or mayonnaise. You don't know what they put inside, how they make it, is they healthier or not. But the sauce who you made by yourself in the home is always healthy. Ingredients is totally up to you. What do you want to put inside? It's very common things who I'm going to use it. One more thing, guys, I just forgot to let you know. It just came to mind. When I put in the water in this jar, make sure change the water every 2 days. Wash the jar, not with the soap, just with the water. Wash it and then change the water, and this will be keep them healthier, and this slow will be grow up. So let's begin my mint sauce today, and let's see how I made it, how I will make it. Yes guys, here we take off few leaves of the mint, and some of them we take off here coriander. So I will make 2 type of mint sauce. The first I will be make it without yogurt, and the next one I will be make it with the yogurt. So I'll be take my grinder here. So first I'll be put it nearly 10-15 leaves here. You can see they're not that much, and I'll be do half here and half there where I took it. It's up to you. You can put it how much you like it. And here is 1 tomato. I take it, so I'm going to be put the tomato inside. I'll be just cut it in the few pieces, and I'll be making it inside. And here I'm putting it nearly half of fresh of coriander. I'll be cut it in a little bit pieces, so it should be easy to grind. Here I took it 2 cloves of the garlic. Here I took it 4 chili. It's up to you guys. If you want, you can take it 1 chili, 2 chili, or without chili. It's totally up to you. If some people they don't eat, my friends, they don't eat chili, it's not necessary. If you don't like the chili, so you can add it. You can make it without chili, this mint sauce. So I will put chili inside, and also here I take it 3 small spring onion. If you guys take the big one, just enough. 1 is enough, or 2 is enough maximum. So I have a small one I have, so I'm using the 3. So I will put inside these. There we go. And I will be adding inside 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon red chili powder. Also I'm going to add inside a little bit olive oil, so this will be making a little bit long last if you want to keep it in the fridge. And as usual, salt is to taste. It's up to you how much you want it. Here I'm going to add a little bit water inside, so it can be easily grained. So I add the water, I put my all ingredients. So now I'm going to be grind these items. Yes, my friend, I grained all these ingredients, and this become a very nice sauce. As you can see, it's look very delicious, and the smell is like very fresh smell. As you can see, the all ingredients are mixed up very well, and smell is super good, guys. Very nice. This one is looking to me. So now I'm going to try with my another sauce. Here we go, guys. For my another sauce, who I will be going to make it with the yogurt. The same procedure, but just I have to add yogurt and a little bit less ingredients here. First I'll put all my coriander inside. I'll put all my mint leaf here. Here I'm putting 2 cloves of the garlic, and as usual I'm putting 4 chili inside, guys. If you eat less chili, you can put 1 chili, 2 chili, or even without chili. Same chili powders I'm putting inside. 1 teaspoon of the cumin powder, and a half teaspoon I'll be put inside red chili powder. One thing, guys, I forgot to tell you, and it just came into mind now. 1 big lemon I'm going to put inside. If you have a small lemons, you can put 2 inside. So I'm putting here 1 big lemon, and same who I made it my previous this chutney who I just made it now. If you can put it there, this one as well, because I forgot to put inside the lemon. This will give you a little bit the good taste of the lemon as well. So I'm going to put this lemon as well. You guys don't forget to put the lemon when you will be make it. I add all lemon inside, and I'll be mix it well. So please don't forget to put lemon. I was forgot, but I put it now anyway. So here this one I put all ingredients. Now as usual, salt to taste, as much you want inside. And now I'm going to grind this as well. Guys, we grained the second ingredients as well, and this sauce is look very green. Smell is really good smell. So now we will be going to add yogurt inside, and it's up to you how much yogurt would you like inside. So I'll be see first I put 3 tablespoons, so I will mix it, and so let's see what is quantity comes up. The both sauce are ready now, so let's see. You try, guys, and just let me know how it is. Hopefully you guys will be like it. Guys, if you visit regular on my channel, please don't forget to like my video, and also if you didn't subscribe, please subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell, so you will be get the all notification whoever I will be upload my new videos. Please, guys, take care yourself. Inshallah I will be come again with my new recipe. Take care, and Allah Hafiz.